In this video, I'll cover what I look for when buying tires for my cars. I would touch on all-season tires, summer tires, winter tires, quiet soft tires, and hard loud tires. I may even cover high-performance tires if the video doesn't go that long. At the end of this video, I'll give you CNET's rating for the best tire for 2023. So let's do this. All-season car tires. All-season tires are designed for small cars to light-duty SUVs and pickups. They are general use tires for year-round traction, reasonable long tread life, and a comfortable ride. Their speed rating can be up to 118 miles an hour. Tread warranty can be up to 40,000 miles. The typical wheel size is between 15 and 20 inches. Performance all-season car tires. Be advised, they are expensive. Performance all-season car tires provide year-round traction, but for sport driving. They have a higher rated speed than standard all-season tires. Their rating can go up to 140 miles an hour. They provide improved handling and braking over regular all-season tires. They can withstand hot weather better than cold weather or all-weather tires. All-season tires are different from all-weather tires. All-weather tires can stay on the car all year round, like all-season tires. However, they're rated for cold weather also. Look for the snowflake on the sidewall. This will tell you that your tire can handle winter weather as well as summer weather. Tread warranty can be up to 85,000 miles. Like the other tires that I talked about earlier, the size is between 15 and 20 inches. All-weather touring tires have a lower rolling resistance, and thus they are usually the quietest tire. Honda Odyssey minivans come with touring tires. Off-road tires are the noisiest, and studded snow tires are crazy loud. Military truck off-road tires are so loud that drivers and passengers need to wear earplugs to protect their hearing. Ultra-high performance tires are the most expensive tires. There are two types of ultra-high performance tires, summer and all-season. These tires are for sports cars, such as Corvettes, Crossfires, Porsches, Lamborghinis, Viper, and the like. Ultra-high performance tires have great handling and responsive steering in wet and dry conditions. However, they lack comfort and have short tread life. Some tires in this class are not suited for cold weather. Thus, the owner must have a spare set of winter tires on hand. The speed rating for these tires can be up to 186 miles an hour based on the class of tires. The tread wear warranty can be up to 60,000 miles. Typical wheel size is between 17 and 22 inches. Checking your car tires. The penny test is the easiest way to check the tread depth on your tire. Simply insert Abraham Lincoln's image head first into the most worn part of your tire. That will be close to the wear line on the tire. If you can see the top of Abe's head, then it's time to buy new tires. Tires don't have an expiration date, but after 5 years, they should be carefully inspected. After 10 years, there is a pretty good chance that the rubber compound has changed enough that the tires have turned into brittle, hard, noisy rubber and should be replaced. Which tire should you buy? On the driver's side door, there's a tire chart. The chart indicates the air pressure and the type of tire rated for your car. That is the best and official information for your car. I suggest that you reference the sticker when you look for new tires. As promised, earlier I promised that I will give you the CNET rating for the best tires. CNET's rating for the best tire is the Michelin Cross Climate 2. So there you have it, my take on buying tires for your car. If you like this video, please rate, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.